and today me and my mom are going to be making lemon cookies. There are 7 ingredients: lemon juice, lemon zest, flour, vanilla powder, baking powder, an egg, butter and sugar. This is my wet bowl, and in here I put sugar and butter, and now I'm going to crack an egg. And here goes the egg, and now I'm going to mix it. I've mixed the egg, and now I'm squeezing lemon juice into the wet mix. And now I'm going to mix it. Now we're going to mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. While my mom is mixing, I'm going to turn the oven to 180 degrees, and I put the baking paper onto the tray so the cookies don't stick to the tray. Now the dough is ready for my lemon cookies. Okay friends, now this is the best moment. My lemon cookies are ready and out from the baking, and they smell so delicious. I really can't tell you how delicious they smell, and I can't wait to put one in my mouth. Bye!